Do you, as a trumpet player, want to be able to play fast passages of music day in and day out? Well, you've come to the right video for this one. What's going on, everybody? This is Trumpet Tips with JC, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to improve your finger speed. So let's get to it. In order to play fast passages of music on the trumpet, finger speed is another skill that trumpet players must grasp in order to do this. Another word that we like to use other than speed is dexterity, which is the ability to move your fingers fast and with ease. Before I get into how to improve your finger speed on the trumpet, I'm going to go over two common problems that I see among trumpet players when they're practicing. Problem number one. Don't you just hate as a band director when you're watching your trumpet players play and they move their fingers so lazy and slow? Moving your fingers slow and lazy like that is already a problem in itself. And if you also heard in my playing, there were some sound problems that occurred in between me playing the note and pressing the valves down really slow. So doing that, you're already putting yourself in the wrong track in terms of improving your finger speed on the trumpet. What should occur is that the valve should be pressed down at the same time you're playing the note, like this. So a problem that I see among trumpet players is when they get ready to put their fingers on their valves, they put them on with straight fingers. And I'm going to show you what that looks like as you're playing fast passages. So I'm wanting to go faster than what I'm doing, but because my fingers are straight like this, it's hindering my ability to do that because they're moving very stiffly. But we don't want our fingers to move stiff. We want them to move freely. So what you want to do is you want to hold your right hand in a C-like position. And I'm going to show you that when playing fast passages with your hand positioning like this. So as you can see there, with my hand positioning in the C position, I'm able to move my fingers faster and more freely. Also, my pinky finger, I have that on top of this ring right here, because if you have it inside of the ring, that also kind of hinders your ability to move your fingers fast when it comes to playing fast passages of music. So take your pinky finger out of the ring and start getting into the habit of having your pinky on top of the ring. That way you can move your fingers faster and move your fingers freely. Now, in my last video with improving your multiple tonguing speed, I showed you guys in real time how you want to do that. And that's with the metronome. I'm not going to do that in this video because that's common sense. You guys can do that already. So, as I did in my multiple tonguing video, set your metronome on a metronome or use a metronome app on your phone to 80 beats per minute and move up 4 clicks at a time. And just work on moving your fingers as fast as you can. You can use scales, flow study patterns, anything that you can do that'll help improve your fingering speed is just fine. I personally like to use like the first 5 notes of the B flat scale. And so I'll start at 80 clicks per minute and move up 4 clicks with the first 5 notes of the B flat scale. And as a result, over time, you're going to realize that your fingers can move much faster and freely with the right hand positioning. So there you have it. That's how you improve your finger speed on the trumpet. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. This is Trumpet Tips with JC, and I'm out. See y'all in the next video.